Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you the fastest way to download and install your Primavera P6. It will be very fast. So grab your laptop, grab your desktop and let's go. Open your Google, click on the search bar, type e-delivery. You see the official website, you click on it, edelivery.oracle.com. Click on it. You see welcome, let's get started. You see sign in, create account. So if you don't have an Oracle account, you can go ahead and click create account. Have you seen? Now you just fill in your informations like your email address, your password, retype password and everything. When you are done, you check this box that says I agree that Oracle may collect and use my personal informations. You get? So when you are done filling all these things, you check and you click create account. Oracle will now send you a mail. You understand? They will send you an email. So you just go there and click on verify. You understand? You have to verify it. Then when you verify it, means you have officially created your account now. So you come back here and click on sign in. So they said username or email. So I'll go ahead and put my email there. I'll put in my password. Yeah, so this is what you have on your screen. You understand? So you click on this search bar and you will type Primavera P6. Yeah, so this is the one we are looking for, Primavera P6 Professional Project Management. I'll click on it. This is the latest version. This first one that says Primavera P6 Professional Project Management 25, that is the latest version. That is the one we are looking for. So you come up here to where you have view items. Click on it and click continue. Or wait for it to load. Yeah, so this is what you have on your screen right now. This one is download query. You will not touch anything here. You understand? By default, you just leave it there and you click continue. So you go ahead and read all the terms and conditions from Oracle standard terms and restrictions. You read everything. When you are done, now check this box that says I review and accept the Oracle license agreement. Now click continue. Yeah, now this step is very important. This third one here, this one here is what you are looking for. You are looking for this Primavera P6 professional applications. Have you seen my mouse pointer? So I'm going to right click on that one because there's no need to download all these ones. It is a waste of time. We need only this one. It is like a zip file. So you right click. When you right click, you come to this place that says save link as. I'll click on it just once. It will take you to your laptop, you get, where you want to save that zip file into. So I'll just leave it here, this download. I'll not touch anything. I'll just click save. As you can see, that file is downloading right here. So I'm done with the downloading process right now. So we'll go over here. I'll click on the file and I'll extract here. You right click and extract. You see another zip file again. You understand? I'll click on it. This one that says P6 professional setup. I'll right click and extract it again. You see this other word that says P6 professional setup. This is the main one we are looking for. Do you understand? So I'll click on it. I'll right click and click on run as administrator. As you can see, a dialog box will pop up. We'll not click on advanced. We'll just leave it as default that says typical. welcome to Primavera P6. This application will install P6 Professional. You just leave it there. That typical is okay. Just click OK. This one ready to install Primavera P6 Professional. Install. And we'll leave it there to install. You're going to see another dialog box here that says the operation you requested has been completed successfully. So by default here we have run database configuration. So I'll just leave it like that and click OK. Right now, just click on add, come over here to SQLite, create a new standalone, add in my password, admin, come here, admin, next. Okay, so we are done with this process right now. So we are going to close this, close it, come over here. So this is the one we are looking for, Primavera and P6 Professional, this one here. Put in my password, admin, then I click here. So it will open. We'll wait for it to load and open, right? The appropriate industry for the organization, you just ignore it, just okay. Wow, here we go. So we have our Primavera P6 here. In the next video, I will explain all the interface here. I'll explain all the toolbars. I'll explain everything, and I'll tell us the meaning of EPS, and I'll show us how to create an EPS as well. Please, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, comment, share this video with a friend as well. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.